So with any assembly, the main thing is we have all the parts needed to complete the assembly. So first, we want to make sure we have the 6 pieces of angle iron, the leg bracket with the set screw. If we look down here, I have the rest of the parts we're going to need. We're going to need 9 bolts and nuts, 6 wood screws right here, 3 feet with the threaded nylon cone, 3 leg extenders. Now these, you may or may not need these depending upon the height of your bed. Taller beds will need these. Lastly, there's going to be 2 diagonal bracing X-strapping, and that's going to prevent the feet from kicking out. So our first step is to take this leg bracket and go ahead and slide it onto these 2 pieces of angle iron. What you're going to want to do at this point is go ahead and extend it the width of your bed, so it's on both of the side rails. And then go ahead and center this bracket as close as you can to the middle. You will probably need a tape measure to go ahead and make sure you're centered. And go ahead and tighten it up. You're going to also want to make sure that you do this on all 3. Proceed with this for all 3 center supports. As mentioned before, some of you may need this leg extender. In my case, I did. So what I went ahead and did is I put the foot with the nylon cone. If we look down here, you'll have a good idea on how to go ahead and start rolling with this assembly. So I went and put this on the side like that. I ran 2 bolts and nuts through right here, and take note of this X strapping. So I went ahead and put the leg extender on the outside of this bracket, then ran the X strapping on the outside of that. Run the bolt and nut through, 2 here, 2 on the outside, and take note of this notch. This is where that notch needs to be for this to work. So lastly, what you want to do is you want to use these wooden screws provided and drill this center support into the wooden lip. Make sure you have a wooden lip you can drill this center support bar into. Finally, with your legs, you don't want to tighten them so far down into the carpet, because what can happen is you can actually lift the hooks out of the headboard and footboard if you have a hook-in frame. So your feet, you don't want to attach them so far down into the carpet, because you'll actually put a lot of weight down that you can actually pull the hooks out of the headboard and footboard. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call. Our toll-free number is 888-785-2337. And congratulations, you've successfully installed the GS3XS.